We have a job for Woodruff Property Management. They manage this property. We've got pigeons and birds getting into their air conditioning units. They have this louvered structure on the side of this apartment building in Columbus, Georgia. And over time, pigeons and birds have made their homes. Squirrels, raccoons, anything can get into these buildings. So what we're going to do is we're going to pressure wash the inside, all the droppings, and clean everything, all the contamination with a Sterifab cleaner. It'll disinfect and deodorize all the droppings. Once we get everything clean, disinfected, we're going to fix all the louvers. We're going to apply 1/4-inch hardware cloth to the exterior of this, and then we're going to paint it all to match. That'll prevent any wildlife or birds from getting into the property. This is the back side of the building. We've got the same situation. Another air conditioning units coming up through here. These birds are nesting on these air conditioning units, and as these units suck air and put it into people's houses, this contamination and things can get inside their houses. You can see all the droppings here down below. The other companies, as they tried to do this, of course, they tried to put wire on the inside. Okay, it's been poorly done. Of course, when people work on the AC units, as you can see, this one here that's broken off, as they work on them, their tools and everything will catch the inside. It's been ripped, it's been torn. They tried to use netting, some netting to keep the birds out. That didn't work. We're actually going to do it from the outside and get everything done with a sparrow can get through that 1-inch chicken wire. We're going to use a small 1/4-inch mesh. And what we'll have to do is we're pressure washing all this contamination off the wall. We'll actually have to go all the way up this ladder shaft, all the way to the top 7 floors, and clean everything all the way back down, and then we'll seal it all off properly. We've got dead carcasses that are all throughout the shaft. We'll be removing all those as well. We've got bird nests. We've got nesting material where they've been having nests, so we'll take care of this. Everything is replaced, all the wires in place, all the louvers have been fixed, and everything is painted. Alright, we're applying bird spikes at the top of this building because the birds kept roosting and going inside this front edge. So what we do is we put a bead of construction adhesive at the edge of the building where the pigeons have been roosting, and then we're installing the bird spikes.